What's up, YouTube? Sharpshooter doing a review on the Black Ops 1911 Full Metal Semi-Auto CO2 pistol. I gotta say, this weapon is far the best pistol I've seen so far. It's full metal, has a lot of weight. It's so similar to a real 1911. Everything is metal. I had an orange tip, but you can screw that off. Bought it at Walmart for $75. Pretty cheap. Everything's functional. Safety. It has two safeties, which is thumb safety and the grip safety. This won't fire unless the safety's off and you're pushing the grip safety. It has a lot of power. My wife is asleep, but watch this. It's blowback. Important. It's blowback. Watch this. Bam. Loud as fuck. Bam. The FPS on this pistol is 450 feet per second. That is a lot. Let me take out the babies on it and show you it locks the bolt to the rear once you're out of ammo. You can lock it yourself too. There it is. There's no firing all your ammo. Locks back. You just push this down. Bam. You're good to go. Alright. Comment, subscribe. Get this at Walmart for $75. I also do custom paint jobs. That's also it's a Black Ops M4 Viper. 420 max FPS. Bought it for $100. Walmart. I gotta say it's not bad. Magazine. It's not really quick release. Can kind of get stuck in there. The upper receiver. Let me show you. The upper receiver it's not plastic, it's kind of rubberish. When you take it apart to paint it, and you can get the paint on right. I don't know, for some reason buy a pretty good quality spray cans, taped it all up. Took me about 5-6 hours to do. It's pretty nice. Got an extra mag. And over here I have the Beretta. Amazing iron sights. Not really iron, but yeah, it has pretty good FPS. It's like a regular spring. Custom as well, custom paint job. Gold. Beretta. original, licensed. So I also got a G36 by H&K, and my wife has a zombie destroyer, some shit. It's pretty nice. And we're painting. We got a UMP 45 silencer and scope. That's also in the chamber. So if you like, subscribe, comment. Any suggestions on paint jobs for my 1911? This full metal should come out pretty nice. And any tips on what weapon I should buy next and make a review of? Sharpshooter out.